So there's a few ways that you could solve this. You could do the distributive property here, but then you'd end up with some fractions, some ugly fractions. So instead of doing that, I'm actually going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2/5. And when I do that, this side actually cancels out, because when you cross reduce, that becomes 1, that becomes 1, that becomes 1, that becomes 1, so it's 1 times this whole thing, which really leaves us with just j plus 40, because 1 times j plus 40 is j plus 40. On the other side, we're going to cross reduce. We can make that a -2 and make that a 1, and -2 times 5 is -10. Now the second part of this is we will subtract 40 from both sides. 40 minus 40 is 0, and you're left with j equals -50, and that is your answer.